like I got 3 strikes.
Call me, call me, call me, call me, call me, call me.
So it's currently raining and Jessica here. Isaac in the back.
Why you broke a balloon?
Exactly. We're going to Rainbow.
Or TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
To go buy my stuff. Go feel me? I fix your hair.
Cause yes, tomorrow we're going somewhere.
Estamos muy malos y aparte de malo,
Oye.
muy caro.
But yeah, hopefully. It's raining a lot. You guys can see it, but it's raining. This is a good camera. You don't see how clear it is. Look at this is a good camera.
No,
Yes.
I'm a good looking person.
No. Look at Jessica. Look at Jessica. You
I'm
cannot see her
ugly.
pimples.
Why you gotta say it? Now you ruin the video.
That's a fact. Okay. Oh, look at the cat.
Yo, I think a pound.
Oh, it's so cute.
Y ya, no ha vuelto por aquí.
It's adorable. But yeah, the camera is making you look good, not. But yeah, hopefully we didn't show the addresses.
If you do, we have to figure it out.
But yeah,
See you.
we'll meet you when we're almost there. You look so nice. We're going down the hill. So yeah, I'm gonna act like a Drew vlogger. Oh my god, this thing is moving. I need one of those. Sharp, I'll be like. Okay, so what's up? See, not shy. Nobody's really looking at us. Like, sorry for the moving of the camera. We're walking down a hill.
Almost there to TJ Maxx.
Yep. We're gonna have to be like in front of everybody. But yeah, we're almost there. Oh my god, people. Okay, so we're there. Hold on, let me clean my camera. It's cold in here. I mean, it's not that cold, but it's cold. It's weird. It's kind of weird vlogging, but I'm used to it. But yeah. So we're trying to find some pants. Look at that bathing suit. We're trying to find some shorts. Some shorts. Look at the shorts over there. But yeah. Oh, those are leggings, Miss Elaine. Ooh, these hats.
People, let's check the mirrors.
What is that?
Furry.
But yeah. So what are we finding? What are we trying to find? What are we trying to find? There's a lot of bears. Like, oh, that's nice.
It is, but it's a medium. I don't think it's
Hey, it's gonna fit you.
but I think it's even gonna wear it.
Miss Eileen, is this good for Jessica? So did you find anything you like?
It's TJ Maxx.
Don't get anything expensive. There's mad expensive stuff here. Like these chancletas were like $25. Like, but yeah. So, just messed up my whole bun.
Stay with you forever.
But I hope you guys can hear me. No, it's a shirt.
Gown.
The dresses are here. They're nice, but like,
This is just like no.
so I'm outside. We're about to go to BJ's.
Eso puede ser eso. No te quedes para ahí ni pongan la mano ahí.
I was with them now. But yeah, I'm with Jessica. It's about to be nighttime.
Vamos, quítate esa suera, al
Where we
favor.
going?
Quítatela. Oh, I see me and Vicky are matching the same color shirt. Okay. Quítatela.
No te voy a comprar candy.
Please, Rebel, please. It bothers
No te voy a
me.
comprar candy.
Take it away. And
BJ's.
Candy's gonna use it a lot. You look crazy. It's like 90.
But it's not
It's
hot.
100 degrees. It's 100 degrees.
It's not hot to me. You're very notable. You don't need to make it notable. Déjalo con su camisa, con su chaqueta, igual que mí. Bueno, tengo un carro de esos que me lleven a mí ahí. Y cógeme uno de esos ahí.
Thumbnail.
What are you doing? I was staring at you for the 5 seconds. You were like, she like this.
When I'm bored, I be like,
Oh,
what are you thumbnail? Ah!
don't hit me.
Bravo, you just hit me! If I would have dropped my iPad.
You were staring at her. Who's that?
There's two annoyings in the back. Ew, I mean, that's good. No.
I can only do that with Jennifer. What do you mean only do that with her?
I don't even like it. This thing. Cover the light. We already got it thumbnail.
Keep the good things in life.
Really, nigga?
Wait, Vicky, move the car so I could. Yeah. So those are no traffic jams. Bro, go from here. Damn, bro.
No, it's about to fall.
I'm at
He got stuck. Record. Hold it. Record.
It's not recording even.
Paused it. The man was looking at it.
Guys.
Hilarious. That was hilarious. Bro, he dug us up. We took him out. That was hilarious. So, Bebo, how was it like getting stuck in there? Yes, he was stuck. Yeah. It was cold. It was cold. It was cold. Oh, it was recording the whole time. But yeah, yo, Bebo. Yes, listen, yes. Yo, we already did the thumbnail in the beginning.
That gotta be the thumbnail.
No, we have to be the thumbnail is me getting stuck in the
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta take a picture of that a bit. Some picture. You said the floor wasn't there.
What? I said there was no floor, not there was no, the floor wasn't there. Bebo.
Bitches wearing shorts in this type of house.
Like, this is nothing. I'm
You're
not-
fine. It's like her shorts was just like.
Oh,
But she was getting so.
So, this is, we got two trucks. Two trucks.
You got me in the video when I put the bag of vegetables on.
Okay, so this is our second thing. It's full. This is a big family. A big
about 10 days.
big family for 10 days. Maybe 11. Because we might stay one extra day. But yeah, so pack one extra clothes. So this, we're at BJ's, but Oreo yogurt. These are good. Vanilla, 9 cups. Okay guys, so we're about to leave BJ's. We've been here for like a long time. Plus I need a pack. But yeah, we have literally like 4 freaking of those. You see what Vicky's holding? That. Of those carts. It's like we're packing for a whole year, but it's only 10 days. But I have to pack. And oh, look at the rest of the stuff. I'll show you. That. And there's more. And there's like the one that Vicky has. But yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. And I'm trying to find Bebo. Because he's been in day room. But yeah. Oh. Bebo, you want to know? Oh, I found him. Bebo, you want to know why I'm mad at you?
That's it. We are ending. What?
Oh, I beat my finger.
Free ride. That's it. We are ending this vlog, right?
Yeah. This is fun. This was a fun day. Even though I'm still mad at Bebo.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Peace. My finger.
Ow.
Calling me Zaddy. She keep on calling me Zaddy. She keep on calling me Zaddy. That little baby got a fatty. She keep on calling me Zaddy. She keep on calling me